What's the difference between an offset account and a redraw account? Both are home loan features. They both do the same thing. They're both helping you pay your mortgage much more quickly. What's an offset account? An offset account is just a regular transaction account that you have in the bank. It's one of those savings accounts that you have. The only difference is that an offset account is linked to your home loan account. How does an offset account work? If you have an offset account, all you need to do is just put your savings into that account. You can even have your salary deposited into that account. Let's say you have a loan balance of 300,000 and there's 100,000 sitting in the offset account. In this scenario, you only pay interest on the difference between $300,000 and $100,000, which is $200,000. So, if you're doing a monthly repayment, more of this repayment goes into paying down the principal of the loan as opposed to paying the interest. Because an offset account works like an everyday transaction account, you can actually pull out money from that account. Let's say you're saving for a travel to Europe next year. So you put your savings into your offset account. When the time comes that you need to buy the plane tickets, all you need to do is pull out that money and pay for the tickets. And that's it. With most banks, the offset account is linked to a variable rate loan product. But we have a few lenders that allow you to have an offset account against a fixed rate loan product. A Redraw Facility, on the other hand, allows you to access the additional repayments you've made on your home loan. So how does Redraw work? When your loan settles, you're required to make a minimum repayment on your loan. But sometimes it happens that you have a surplus from your income, less your expenses. So you've got a bit of disposable income. You can put that into your home loan and do that as an extra repayment. At the end of the day, what makes you happy is seeing that loan balance coming down. The nice thing about Redraw is if you need those extra repayments in the future, you can easily pull it out. So what's the difference between an offset and a redraw? A redraw is available on a variable rate loan product. You don't need to pay an annual fee to have a redraw account. An offset account works like a regular transaction account. You can have a debit card and you can use it to buy things. You can also use the card to take out money from your ATM account. The thing is, if you have an offset account with most banks, there is a fee. And it's normally around $395 a year. So these are the options that you have. Speak to us today. My name's Maria Papa. I've been doing mortgage broking in the last 11 years. You can actually call me at 04301 44008. My email address is mpapa@maverickfinance.com.au. You can check out our website. We're on LinkedIn, we're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, we're on Instagram. Just Google us and you'll find us.